Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in today's video, we're going to be making some accent pieces with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Come and join me. Now I'm starting out here with this initial A that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I was very surprised to see it there. Now I'm using their paint. Now here's one thing I'm gonna say. They have a brand called Prang, which is this yellow that I'm using. It doesn't really coat stuff as good as their other brand. They do have another brand. I'm not really sure if it's called Art Studio or something to that effect, but this one here took quite a bit of coverage, and I wasn't worried too much because I'm going to be using some iridescent glitter that I purchased from Walmart. So it did take a couple of coats of that yellow, and while that paint is still wet, we're going to go ahead and use this iridescent glitter that I purchased from Walmart. So I'm just using the last of it, and I'm glad I did because I think in the end when everything dried, it looked amazing. All right, so here's what it's looking like. Isn't that beautiful? Now we're going to move that over to the side because I do want to use this hot pink ribbon. This is an absolutely beautiful pink that I'm using. And lately I've been loving the pink and the yellows. So we're going to go ahead and make a bow. And I'm probably going to cut off a little bits of stem from this baby's breath. I'm going to call it baby's breath. I'm not sure if I got this from the Dollar Tree, but I had it in my stash. So let's see what we do. Now I went back in my stash and I also grabbed some white florals, and you can never go wrong with anything that has greenery. Now it's time to embellish, so let's get to putting this together, guys. Now you can put a hanger on this and hang this absolutely anywhere in your home, or you can just leave it. Since I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do, I just kind of left it alone, and it stands up pretty nice because it's pretty thick, so I wasn't worried about putting a hanger on it. So I think this came out absolutely gorgeous. Now let's head on over to the next project. Now this board here, this frame, you used to be able to get them at the Dollar Tree. I haven't seen them there lately. I grabbed some of the fat quarters that I had from, I'm not sure I purchased this from Dollar Tree. I think that fat quarter came from Walmart. We're gonna cut it to the shape of the inside of that box and go ahead and embellish. Now I'm going to be using the Mod Podge in the box after the cloth is cut to the inside of the box. And then once we lay the cloth down and press that down, we're going to go ahead and seal everything in with more Mod Podge. And remember, in between all this, we need to allow this to dry. Now here I have to say I wasn't very patient, so I did not let this dry. I found these gold beads that I thrifted, and I absolutely needed to move quickly to go ahead and hot glue this on the inside to trim out the borders of that cloth. So this was also a great buy at the thrift store. Now the cloth, as you can see, is bee theme. I think this came out absolutely beautiful, especially for like a tier tray or regular tray vignette. Look how beautiful. Now let's move on to the next one. Now, I've been seeing these dragonflies there for a while, and I have to do something with this, guys, because I've been thinking it, bypassing it. I finally purchased it. We can do something with this. Summertime is like right there. So let's start out by painting this piece. And we're going to do that with this neutral color. So once that neutral color was done back and forth, I had to go back and make another bow using that nice pink. And then I also cut some of the beads from the chain I just showed you. So let's go ahead and fix this up. This would be great for a little girl's room or even outdoors. Whatever you choose to use it for, it symbolizes summer. So this is great anywhere. So I think that this came out absolutely beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. I love making these accent pieces to place anywhere in my home, on my tablescapes, outdoors, whatever you choose to do. I love that A, guys. So my favorite is the A, but I love the other pieces. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.